Hey everyone, it's Lisa and Chanel is here. This is her. I've got her bed in this chair. I bought one of those rolling chairs for my desk and I did not like it. I felt like, I was having to grip the floor, to keep from rolling all around. So I'm in my old chair and it's worked out good because she jumps up here and then I've got her little bed down here. So she may pop up. And John is outside mowing the grass. I just did a video on this look. I got up this morning and I was feeling down kinda, I just, I don't know, it's not being able to go anywhere, but I just feel sorry for the kids, all the thing. I'm not gonna go through it. So anyway, I thought, well, making videos always makes me feel good and putting on makeup always makes me feel good. So that's what I did. And then when I was doing my makeup, this is, if any of you watch HRH Collection, I bought one of her lipo skinny outfits and it is amazing. When I opened it up, I thought, I'm never gonna be able to wear that. But I had seen a lady on her Instagram stories that may not be as old as I am, but wasn't really young, and she looked good in it, so I thought I'm gonna try it, and I can't believe it. If I can get some good pictures, I'll put some at the end of this. I was putting my lotion on and everything, and I saw this, and it just reminded me that I wanted to give you guys an update on the Kenzzi. Now, you guys know I am a partner with Kenzzi. If I did not like this or it did not work for me, I would not ever mention it again. But I love this thing. I cannot believe how much it works. And to me, that was what I was, skeptical about, was did it really work? I thought, how, that's kind of like too good to be true. So I have been using this for about, gosh, I'll have to look up my last video to see how long I've been using it. I only use it, well, for my bikini line, I've only been using it like once a week. At first I was using it a lot more, but it doesn't make sense to use it too much more because what you're doing is you're catching those hairs in their growth patterns. So if you do the same one 3 times, I don't think it's that great or that much better. So what I do is on Sunday night, I remember that I want to do this, and I do not have any, like, okay, your bikini line is like this. I do not have any reason to shave across the top now, and on the side, barely. I mean, I was thinking the other day I need to just let it go because I'm a person that shaves every time I take a shower. I was thinking I need to just let it go to see what is really still there, because every time I shave there's like nothing there, but I know it can't be all gone. So I'm really considering maybe doing more. I can't imagine at this point doing the whole thing, but I'm thinking about it. Okay, I've also been doing under my arms, and I don't even know, there's a mirror. I've put all my mirrors over there, but let me look real quick. Hey baby, I don't even know if I even have any left. I swear. I shave under my arms every time, and I do that, the Kenzzi. What you do, if you haven't watched my first video, and I will link that down below, you turn it on. Usually what I do is as soon as I get out of the shower, I turn it on. And then it takes me just a few minutes to, get to that point. You don't want to put lotion on or anything heavy like that because you don't want anything messing up this little window area. But what I do is turn it on full blast. I've always used it on 5. So you turn it on back here, this will light up, and then you just keep on turning it up until the light goes to 5. And then this thing has to be flat across your skin. Now, I do recommend that you use like some sunglasses or something. I don't always, but what I do is just make sure I look away, close my eyes and look away. And I find you can just keep it on your skin like this. And let me turn this thing on and do it for you. Hold on. So here we go. So that's the button. And you'll hear it kind of crank up a little bit. And then I'm gonna blast it all the way over. And so you can do it like this. So I'm picking it up just a little bit, or you can do it like this, where you just hold it down the whole time. See how my fingers are not even coming up? I don't think I'm going to get that much of a flash in here. And it is hot. It is hot. But see, I'm a person that's had real, I hate to say real IPLs, but IPLs done in the salon. So I kind of know what to expect. And so I went back last night and I read some of the reviews because I was thinking about doing this video today because of something else that I'm going to show you. But I had people ask me, can they do it on their face? I'm going to put the website question and answers down below. You can do it on your face, but I am worried about people using it the right way, because it can give you a good pop and a good red mark. And I've never had it burn me before, but I have had it leave a red mark for a little while. And so I don't want that to freak anyone out, because I know I'm pretty tough when it comes to stuff like that, because I've had stuff done and I'm always just glad it works that good. So anyway, I'm going to leave their question and answer page down below, because I am not an expert. I'm only an expert on what I do. And so what I have done works well so far. Okay, and I've got a piece of hair right here that is driving me nuts. Oop, there it is. It's wrapped around. Okay, but what I was going to say is I think it works better when you put it on a spot and then I can tell that it's definitely heated up some since I first turned it on. A lot. And so what you do is go over the same spot 3 times. And that zaps that hair that is coming up to the top. Now you're supposed to shave before you do it. And I was thinking, well, that's weird, because you would think that you would want the hair there to zap. But it senses the darkness of the hair right underneath the skin, and it zaps that one. So then the next time you're going to wait until the next hair is coming up to zap that one. And eventually the goal is to have zapped all of them and, you know, not have to shave. So I had someone say last time that this worked better than their true, you know, laser hair appointment. So this one, I feel like I got to do it now to make them even. So that is what I've been doing. But I was thinking, I wonder if this thing, remember I was telling you, I wondered if it would work on like a dark spot or anything. So I have had this spot on my arm for a while. And let me zoom in real quick. There it goes. Yay! I have been doing this spot, and look at how, just like on an IPL, it's gotten darker. And then that is, I could probably almost scratch some of that off. I've kind of been wanting to save it for you guys to see. And you can see how the other spots around it are darker. So I have been zapping that, and eventually that will be gone. And it's... woo! And I mean, it really, you can tell. The more pigment you have there, the harder of a zap that you'll get. Watch how this, and so I've been doing like right here, and you can see how it is coming up and is going to flake off. Let me zoom back out. Your next question will probably be, am I going to do my chest or anything? I don't know. I'm going to see how this goes, but I was thinking I'm going to do my shoulders. So I did like this little bit of my shoulder and that little bit of my shoulder, and then I just didn't think about it again. Well, the other night, for some reason, my shoulder was itching. It was just itching and itching and itching. And then I remembered I had done this on that. So it's probably kind of zapped some of those freckles. It'll make them darker first. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. I don't think I want to zap myself anymore right now. And I just leave this sitting right out in a little basket that I have. But anyway, so you may feel like after you zap a spot or two, now I think that you should, look. I know, Chanel. One of my fingernails just flew off. Okay, I'm gonna have to glue that sucker back on. Anyway, I think that you should consult with them before, just write, you know, give them an email, ask them what they think. I know that last time I asked them, could you use it on your face for anti-aging, and they said yes. But I just want you to be, you know, careful, because it does work. It works, and it is hot, but that is what does it. So you can see that's hot, and like, it's not hot, but you can see it's, I don't think I can quite scrape it off now, but I can feel, at first it won't even feel crusty because it's kind of, it zaps it and then it has to kind of come up and then you can get it off. But I'm excited. So I wanted to give you guys just a little bit of an update. I better go glue my fingernail on. Seems like, I think this one already came off. I didn't do them right. I need to watch some videos because I don't think the glue, I don't think I put enough glue on or used the right glue or something. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll try to answer them. I get so nervous because I know different people have different like thresholds of pain. You have different skin, but I can say I've had such good results. Great results. I mean, really pretty remarkable. And I've heard really good things. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.